Hey everyone, welcome back to One More Guru. So today I took a look at Elycura Gum Repair Gel. The product is marketed as something that helps improve gum health. According to the claims, it can reduce gum bleeding, lower sensitivity, and even help prevent tooth loss. One of the key ingredients they highlight is hyaluronic acid, which is known for its ability to retain moisture and support healing. That part makes sense from a general health perspective. The brand also claims that users might start seeing results within about 72 hours, which is a pretty bold promise. From a marketing standpoint, the product is being pushed quite heavily online. You'll see big discounts, lots of positive reviews, and ads appearing on many websites. However, the real question is whether the effectiveness is backed by solid clinical testing or whether dental professionals actually recommend it. That's something worth looking into before trusting the claims. It's also important to check whether the company clearly lists all ingredients, provides manufacturing details, and offers a proper refund policy. Legitimate brands are usually transparent about how their products are made and how they should be used safely. Overall, Elycura Gum Repair Gel does appear to be a legitimate product, but that doesn't automatically mean it will work for everyone. It's always a good idea to do a bit of research or even ask your dentist before using something new in your mouth. It might be helpful, but it's best not to rely on marketing hype or online reviews alone. Thanks for watching One More Guru. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick product reviews and online safety checks.